How's it going, guys? In this video we are going to be replacing the front lip on the 2001 Ford Mustang GT. Now I did order a new replacement front lip, and this is the Mach 1 style front lip spoiler, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, the old one has had a pretty rough life. I mean, it looks like it's been really banged up. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace it with this new one. And my first mistake was getting one from eBay because it was a couple bucks cheaper, and I can already see I'm gonna have to drill pilot holes in this because, or not pilot holes, but just holes. It has 0 holes in the spoiler. I do have some of these little tools here so I can take off the old spoiler. I already looked underneath. Looks to be pretty straightforward, and then I'm just going to use the old spoiler as a template to drill the holes in the new spoiler. Should be pretty straightforward install, but I'm gonna throw the camera on the little stand here so you guys can see what I'm doing, and we're gonna get right into it. So we just finished the install on the new front lip. It was absolutely terrible. It was a pain in the butt. We used the old front lip as a guide. So we used those holes to make holes in the new spoiler because I decided to cheap out and buy the eBay spoiler instead of one from like American Muscle or LMR or something that already has the pre-drilled holes. So it was absolutely terrible. There was like 2 or 3 holes that didn't quite line up with the holes that were already in the bumper, and so I had to jack up the car, drill some new holes. It was terrible. So if there is one recommendation I have, is don't cheap out on this. Spend the extra money and get the one from LMR or American Muscle or any of those websites that have the holes already pre-drilled in them. But there you guys have it. That is the new front lip. It looks awesome now. It looks really clean. This one, I said it was all junked up, all banged up. So yeah, there you guys have it.